Hi, Achy Dad. I'm kind of sore from being in that tiny kayak with an electric drill hooked up to a propeller that I got off drillpaddle.com. I'm not affiliated with them. I've just used this propeller in several videos because it's definitely better than I could probably build, and certainly for less time and money. So this is at Willard Beach, a lovely beach right across from Portland, Maine in South Portland. But I went really fast and was very maneuverable. I had a GoPro camera and I had my dad taking some phone pictures. So there's a 2-camera shoot here. Let's take a look. Don't move. Oh wait, look at that jellyfish. Watch out, Dad. That's a giant jellyfish. Yep. Wow. Yeah, here. If you could take care of this, I'll do the rest.
The red has to be square.
Yeah, and those numbers will go up. Well, I got to be able to paddle back. What if the propeller, though? Oh, I could swim in. I don't think it's gonna work because I can't get the propeller going fast enough. You think you can push me out? So let's go over this again. I'm gonna jump in, then you're gonna hand me the drill, and I'm gonna try it. Well, I got the life preserver. I'm just gonna plop in. All right, good. Good.
For sure. Take your time. You're headed in.
Okay, I'm coming in. That was awesome. All right. Here. We did it. Did you see me? That. You did? So this was a 20-volt Dewalt drill, rather old, but a kind of a pro version. My other videos use the smallest Dewalt, kind of the weekender. This has 3 speeds, and on the fastest speed, it really kicked. All right, so that's the drill paddle. It really made that little thing move. As usual, it's noisy because it's using a drill. Maybe if you had a quieter drill, it would be quieter. And drills aren't meant to go for long distances without turning off, right? They're meant to go so if I'd kept it going, it would have tripped its heat circuit. When it was getting to overheating, it would have stopped. So this is not a long-term, long-traveling solution, but boy, that was fun on a little bigger kayak or a canoe. Be great, especially for coming home when you're tired and don't want to paddle. So there's links down below for how to get that little drill paddle. I don't get a cut or anything. Except if you use the Amazon link. I think I have an affiliate, and Amazon usually charges more though. The website that's down below where the person who invented it sells them, I think it's usually like 50 or 60 bucks. And you could, of course, make one too. It's not rocket science, but I love this design with the flotation pool noodle and the zip ties and a nice axle, and you know, it works. I don't know if I could make one cheaper. Oh, and of course, please subscribe. And now that my comments are turned back on, please comment.